How to create AI covers like this.
Pull me close till I get up. Thumb is barely out of sight.
But on PC locally. Step 1. You need an audio song. Step 2. Go to X- website to separate vocals of a song. Just go to the website and click one vocal remover and upload any song. It will separate the vocals. Now just download the vocal. Step 3. Download RVC GUI software from browser. Step 4. Go to Discord and search for a server name AI Hub. I already have joined. Go to Voice Models. Search for any character. It can be fictional or real. There is always a download link for the model. Step 5. Extract the models file we downloaded from Discord and cut the folder. And paste it to Models folder in RVC GUI. Step 6. Open RVC GUI. It will take some time. Click on Browse. Select the vocals we downloaded previously. Choose a model. Crepe is said to be the best voice. Click on Convert. After a moment, here are the results.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely out of sight.
Pull me close till I get up. Thumb is barely out of sight.
I mean, it's alright, like...